Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to use Gauth, the AI homework helper that can assist with all your schoolwork. Imagine having Einstein, Faraday and Leonardo da Vinci help you solve a math problem or homework assignment. That's how this app works, using OpenAI. What is Gauth? It's a free online tool that uses artificial intelligence to help students with their homework. It can answer questions, solve problems, and provide explanations in various subjects including math, science, English, history, and more. So I'll break it down into segments for clarity. Let's dive into it. First, open the Gauthmath AI application. Let's solve a complex mathematical problem. So, when you open a Gauthmath application, it is going to open a list of subjects from which you want to solve the problem. So we'll choose math and you will see your camera opening up. Now what you'll have to do is simply focus the camera on the question that you want to solve. So I'm going to choose this question. Now click a picture of that question. Make sure the question appears in this small rectangular box. Click on this tick icon if the question is correct. Now choose the grade of the question. So I will choose high school, and as you can see, I just got this answer from my Gauthmath application. It is pretty fun and easy to use. So Gauth AI has successfully solved the problem and even shows the steps it took to arrive at the answer. Impressive, right? So this is how you use Gauth AI as a homework helper. It can help you solve various questions from high school level to college level. Now let's explore other features of Gauth AI. Click on the back icon that is at the top left corner. Now you'll see the home and profile option. Click on this profile icon at the bottom right and you'll be able to sign in. Now you will see the history section where you can access previous problems you have worked on. You can also use the math icon for complex equations, the translator for language assistance, or explore other subject areas like physics, chemistry, literature, and more. So click on Q&A history and you'll be able to see the history of your questioning in Gauthmath. Additionally, Gauth AI has a built-in calculator that you can access by clicking the calculator icon at the top left corner of the screen. Navigate to home and click on this calculator icon at the top left, and for graphic equations you can use the graph. You can click on the graphing option and you can use this graph calculator. For scientific equation, choose scientific and do the scientific calculation just right here. Now you can go back and click on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. And to unlock premium features, you can subscribe or share the app with your friends using the share icon just right here. Click on share and you can share the Gauthmath application's link through message, WhatsApp, Facebook, Insta, and more. Just click on that specific platform. This will open up that platform with an invite link. Click on it, select your friends to invite, click on send, and click on the send icon again. Now you can get points that you can redeem for getting Gauthmath AI subscription for free. In conclusion, Gauthmath AI is an excellent tool for students. It's free, easy to use, and can save you time while improving your grades. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.